Hello everyone, this is Mom and Angel TV. Guys, today we are going to be making our gizzard stick meat. Okay, so we have our gizzard is here. You can see it's washed and clean. We have our paprika. This is the red, the green and the yellow paprika. We have our ingredients is there, and we also have our stick, which we are going to be putting our gizzard when it's ready, when it's cooked. Then we put it in our stick. Okay, so let's start. Here's my pot. I just pour my gizzard inside. So I put my ingredients. I'm going to be putting my ingredients inside. Is it my salt, my Maggi is also here. These are my ingredients. Okay. Is it? Then we put our water, just really of it. Okay. Understand? We're going to be adding our onions. Okay, guys, we're adding our onions now. Here's my onions. So we're going to wait for the gizzard to cook for like 10 minutes. So we wait, guys. While we are waiting, I'm going to be cutting the gizzard. Okay, we are going to be putting it in small pieces. Okay, so let's go, guys. Okay, guys, while the gizzard is cooking, I'm going to cutting it into smaller pieces. Okay, this is the way I cut now. Okay, not too big, not too small. Okay. See it? You guys, I'm still going to cut. Okay. Is it? I'm still going to be cutting. Okay. Is it? Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell so that you can be seeing more of my videos. And for those of you that have subscribed, God bless you. Please, guys, subscribe so you see more of this, okay? You see the beauty. So, the gizzard is still cooking. We are just going to wait, okay? Guys, gizzard is ready. So now we are just going to fry. Is it? ready to be fried, so we are just going to fry it now. Okay. Gizzard is ready. Okay guys, this is it. After frying, and then this is my paprika. Is it? So now we are going to put it on the sticks. Okay, I'm going to shook it in the sticks. So this is the way I put it on the sticks. Yes, you can see. It's very, very lekker. Very, very yummy. This is yummy. Guys, try this at home, okay? Try it. And then you comment on my video how you see it. This is the way I make it. Okay? You can see it. Okay guys, this is the outcome of it. This is the finish of it. You can see it. Oh, it's so yummy. So yummy. Guys, try this at home. Try this gizzard stick meat. Just try it, okay? Wow. Guys, please support your sister. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that if I drop my video, you'll be seeing it, guys. You can see it. This is yummy. Wow. Okay guys, see you on my next video. Please share my video, like my video, and bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye.